Hi, Laura Poland, dietitian in your kitchen. Have you tried to pick out the perfect watermelon? If you struggle, today I'm going to talk to you about 3 tips for choosing the perfect watermelon. When choosing a watermelon, look for one that is firm. It should be symmetrical and heavy for its size. Ooh, this feels like a good one. There should also be a yellow spot. If you look around, there should be a yellow spot on the underside as a result of sitting on the ground and ripening in the sun. And if the spot is very pale or white, it may have been picked too soon and it won't be ripe. I think we have a good one here.